Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. This is the official start of a Winter Wonderland YouTube hop. This hop is hosted by Deborah Adams, A Creative Life, and Kimmy is the Salty Beach Scrapper here on YouTube. And I am going to post a link to all the ladies that are in the hop in the description box, along with the rules and everything you need to know to follow along. But let me go over them really quick. It is a winter themed hop. We will have the first video today, and the next video will be January the 9th. And they will start at 11 a.m. Eastern time. There are 10 channels that are participating in this hop, and we are just so excited. I just can't wait to see what everyone makes. And yeah, guys, follow along. There will be plenty of prizes to win. For my channel, it is open for US only. Now, winners will be selected from any of the two videos. I will select from one of the two videos. The other channels will select from whichever video they choose to select their winner from. You must be a subscriber, you must like, and you must comment to be entered, and you must do that on all the channels. And you must have your channel open so that we can verify that you are a subby to all the channels, and that you liked and commented on each one of them. So this is something that we will verify. So the giveaways will close on Thursday, January the 14th. And that should give everyone enough time to go and look at everyone's videos. It's only 2 videos, they're not really very long. So yeah, that should give you plenty of time to like, comment, subscribe on all the videos. So my advice to you guys is go down my list that I will have for you and go ahead and subscribe to them. That way you've got that part out of the way. So our winners will be announced January the 16th, okay? And you will have 72 hours to claim your prize. So, you know, you could potentially win in more than one channel. So, you know, it's worth subscribing, liking, and commenting on all the channels, guys. I encourage you to do that. And please don't forget to have your channel visible. There are some awesome prizes out there. So, okay, so we've got that out of the way. This is what I'm using for my first project, and it is the Gorgeous Girl paper pack, and this is very wintry, and I just couldn't wait to use it. Okay, so let me show you what I've made. I have made this gorgeous little box. I am going to put the link for this particular project in the description box, because I did follow a tutorial, and that tutorial came from our wonderful Rosa Kelly, which is also in the hop. So I'm still going to link the video that I followed, and I went ahead and just made tiny alterations, or you know, just made it to fit what I needed. So we went on vacation last month. We went to Colorado, and I was planning to make a mini album. So, and this came just at the right time. So let me show you what I did here. So it's an explosion mini album. It's an explosion box mini album. So on the top, I just put a bow here with crinkled seam binding, some purple ribbon, and a snowflake. And then over here, I put a cluster of flowers, and I put some white leaves. And look at these gorgeous little pearls right there that match. Look at that. That just matches everything perfectly. I love that. And then right here, I just put some leftover. This is the last of this particular trim that I had. And I put a little handle to be able to lift the lid. And on the outside, I left it pretty plain because I think the girls do amazing job of you know, making it look gorgeous. So, and there is the other side. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. And I love the polar bear. So these are the images that I have on the outside. And guys, these colors are just amazing. And throughout the entire box, I tried to mimic, you know, the background on here. So there's blue and purple, and it, you know, in spots there's pink. So because I didn't want it, you know, stark white, so that's why I went ahead and inked all the white surfaces. So I thought it matched pretty well. And there we go, and we go back to the front. So for this explosion box, okay, of course, you know, all we have to do is lift the lid. So that's why I put this little handle on there to lift the lid and have it open up that way. Oh my gosh, isn't that fun, guys? So this, I went ahead and put on each flap, I put a, let me see which one's easier to show you. They're all the same. And I went ahead and put a waterfall on each flap, and it has 4 flaps on there, and all the flaps are decorated the same. So you see how I went ahead and did the edges, and then once the paper is on there, it kind of covers all that, you know, the messiness that comes with inking edges. But once I put a photo there, and let me grab one real quick. I crop the photos. They will kind of just hide those edges like that, and you don't see all that, you know, that messiness that's there. So with that, we drove, so we were in the car, so it'll, you know, kind of hide those edges, and it'll just add so much color to that. Look at that. I just love that. I just love that. So each of the pages has 4 flaps. So there we go, 4 flaps, and then still room for another photo in the back. So this is going to hold everything that I have. I believe it was 80 something photos. So this is awesome. I just love that Rosa went ahead and shared with us her project, because it could, like I said, it couldn't have come at a better time. And all the pages do have a photo mat in there, and again, I didn't do anything to the photo mats other than they're all the same. They all have that gray paper in the front, and then blank on the back, and all the pages are just left alone because I don't think it needs embellishing. I simply don't think it needs it. So this one has a pocket, and I could use the little mat for a couple of more photos. So this one's a little pocket, and then this one's a little pocket, and this one opens up this way. It opens up this way, a couple of flaps. Here we go. So photo. There's even room for journaling in here. I just love it. And it does close with a magnet, and I don't think I'm going to put anything in front of the little girls. I just don't think so. Unless I can put like a small oval picture like right here at the bottom, then I may. But anyway, so this one's plain, and then this one has the pockets again, and I flip it. This one's plain, and then this one is plain, and this one is plain as well. And then this one, they all have the waterfall at the end. Okay, I just love that she shared that with us. I am just so excited about how it turned out. I love the lid because it has, of course, the flowers that I love and whatnot. And then to close it up, of course, we just gather our corners here and close it up. And then we just close it up. I love how it turned out, guys. I encourage you to go to her channel. She's got some amazing videos on her work. Oh my gosh. I'm sure you know who she is, but her work is just amazing. All right, guys, don't forget to go and check out the other ladies. We all appreciate everything you do. We appreciate you subbing. We appreciate your likes, and we appreciate all of your comments. And remember, guys, those three things are what are going to get you prizes. Okay, so I encourage all you guys to go watch, and good luck. As far as my prize goes, guys, my prize did not come in on time. I had to order it and it did not come in on time. I will have it for you guys for on the next video. I will show you what it's going to be. But I don't think you're going to be disappointed. If any of you, you know, the people that have been following me for, you know, a minute, they know that it's going to be a prize worth winning. All right, guys, I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all.